Are you looking for a front kitchen luxury fifth wheel that you can full-time in? Let's take 3 minutes and take a look at this Riverstone 421 FK. What's up, y'all? This is Corey, and welcome back to another RVing with Corey 3-minute TikTok review. Today, we're taking a look at the Riverstone Legacy 421 FK. And the FK stands for front kitchen. So let's start off there. Coming in here, you have your dinette nook right here. This is all hardwood topped. Got your 2 chairs there, perfect for a couple. And then as we pan around here, check out this luxury kitchen. So starting off over here, you have your convection oven, microwave, plenty of prep space, lots of storage space. You've also got a trash can down there as well. Pull out drawers in the bottom here, nice big residential size refrigerator, and mirrored cabinetry on both sides. Now, if we open this up, this is all painted or stained cabinetry, depending on what interior colors you go with, and reverse shaker style cabinets at that. Spinning back around here, you have a 4-burner stove top with the turkey-sized oven, 2 pop-up power posts, and a cool little vent lid or vent hood that hides a max air vent fan to take out all the stink or smell. Now, right here, you have a built-in dishwasher. Plenty of countertop space here. Nice double bowl sink that's getting harder and harder to find in a camper. And then there's another look at that dinette area. 3 ACs. They're all whisper quiet. That's cool. Now, coming down here, we have our trifold sleeper sofa here. And this turned out to an extra bed for some guests. No carpet. You got your day and night shades on all the windows. Power reclining theater seats. All of those is directly across from your entertainment center with built-in soundbar. Now, over here, you can do this 2 ways. The standard is the desk that you see here. You can also option that out for a sleeper sofa if you want to. So, kind of lets you pick your poison, so to speak. Moving right along, we have a dual vanity bathroom. 1-piece molded in sinks and countertop space, tons of storage space there, porcelain throne, even got nice linen space with a built-in laundry hamper. How cool is that? Now, right here you have a 1-piece fiberglass shower with a rainfall style shower head and a massive mirror. So, really good sized bathroom, especially for a couple. Coming into the bedroom, we have a king-size bed with plenty of space on both sides for CPAP users. Now, over here, we are going to have a cordless vacuum with some great hanging space, 3 drawers, stackable washer-dryer comes standard, and you do have a nice vanity top area with tons of storage and a built-in TV. So let me know, guys, what they get right, what they get wrong. Pricing and key specs will be at the beginning of this video. And let me know your thoughts. Again, pricing and specs are at the beginning of the video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.